ये एफिडेविट तो फाइल करो, जैसा वो कह रहे हैं कि हमें नहीं मालूम था इसलिए नहीं किया हमने। ये नहीं लिखा
किया था उसमें, जैसे वर्बैटिम है या नहीं
दिया उन्होंने,
लिख किया था उन्होंने, वर्बैटिम देखना पड़ेगा है या नहीं।
दिखा दो कहाँ लिख के दिया,
तो दिखा दो ना,
लिख के कहाँ दिया है कि हमें नहीं मालूम था।
ये अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं गलत कह रहा था कि मैं प्लीज ऐसे साहब आप भी बोलेंगे कुछ बाद में। हाँ होने दो। तो ये कह रहे कि वो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटर ही ऐसे भी है, सब लोगों का कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है इसमें गलती में, तो बोलना पड़ेगा आपको आपका क्या कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है।
ठीक है सर, मैं लिख के दे दूंगा। ये हमें ये ना लिखा हुआ है कि सब इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द रिजॉर्ट टेकिंग प्लेस आफ्टर डिटेल जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल का लिस्ट है, व्हिच इज नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन फाइल फॉर इन
अरे
कंप्लीट
आप
ऑफ
तो कह रहे हैं इन्वेस्टर मीट में गए थे, इन्वेस्टर मीट से कुछ थोड़ी ना होता है। आपके तो गुप्ता जी इन्वेस्टर मीट में तो कोई भी हमें चले जाएंगे, हमें 10,000 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट लगाएंगे तो साइन कर देगा फट से, देखेंगे थोड़ी ना कि हमारे 10,000 करोड़ आएंगे नहीं है।
वो तो सर अब पार्टी इकोनॉमी में कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाह रही थी, बट यही बात है कि समर्थन सही नहीं मिला।
As project proponent was found compliant and no action for penalty could have been invoked. क्या लिखा है आपने?
There is investigation with regard to two submissions, that is construction, how much completed when the CPE was applied, and whether they have misled by saying that it was not in buffer zone, otherwise it's already there, which we will be filing the affidavit in that. Currently CPO is already there. One letter is written to the forest also. Forest has filed one of his reply, wherein they are also saying that 1.4 has to be relied upon. Although it's a work of they should ensure as to what is the distance. They have said 1.4 is fine. They are one of the.
ठीक है 1.4 तो
No, what about the clearance of the sea bird, this National Board for Wildlife? Because it is also in the buffer, sir.
इसी होगा। ये बफर में है किसमें है?
Sir, 1.4
बफर में है कि
बफर में
National Board for Wildlife की परमिशन है सर।
तो बफर में कमर्शियल एस्टेब्लिशमेंट के लिए क्या है?
ये है रेगुलेटेड एक्टिविटीज में आता है, जो
रेगुलर परमिशन है वो। कितने तक है? जो प्रपोज किया जाता है तो ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशन चला जाता है उसमें है।
नहीं तो मनोज ये बताओ, ये रेवेन्यू बफर है आपका क्या है?
सर रेवेन्यू
नहीं बफर है कि आपका बफर के बाहर है?
सर ये हमारा जो बफर जोन है सर, पूरा दुधवा टाइगर रिजर्व का, जिसको सर नॉर्थ क्लिफ उसकी पलिया रेंज के अंतर्गत आता है, निजी स्वामित्व की भूमि पर सर ये एस्टैब्लिश है, और दुधवा नेशनल पार्क की बाउंड्री से 1.4 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर।
नहीं आपका जो दुधवा नेशनल पार्क का बफर है that includes revenue land, private land or doesn't include private?
ये प्राइवेट लैंड पे
चल फिर से buffer area of the Dudhwa National Park includes private land or doesn't include private land?
सर इंक्लूड तो है सर, प्राइवेट लैंड में भी सर बफर को कंसीडर करते हैं, काफी फ्रेगमेंटेड है सर, इसमें कई रेंजेस ऐसी हैं जिसमें सर फॉरेस्ट एरिया है।
इनका जो जमीन है वो बफर के अंदर है कि नहीं?
सर है बफर जोन में, पलिया रेंज में सर।
आपने लिखा है बफर में है कि बफर के बाहर है?
बफर में है।
बफर में है सर।
लिख के दो, अगर बफर में है तो हमें लिख के दो, तो ही दूसरा होगा फिर। कंफर्म करके दीजिए प्राइवेट लैंड बफर का पार्ट है या नहीं। ठीक है, प्राइवेट लैंड बफर का पार्ट है तो आपको लिख के दीजिए। फिर उसके बाद सीन बिल्कुल उल्टा हो जाएगा। कब देंगे आप? हम लिख लें कि आप कह रहे हैं बफर में है।
सर को फाइल कर देते हैं सर।
डर क्यों रहे हो? ऐसे बोलो है करके, बफर में है ना। हाँ बताओ ना फिर।
सर ये एक्चुअली मेरे क्षेत्र में नहीं है सर।
रहने दो।
वालों को थोड़ा कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है, इंजेक्शन का हमको बता दिए जो फ्रेंचाइजी ले रहे हैं इनकी, रिजेक्ट हो गया है। कौन ले रहा है, एडिशन ले रहा है, कौन ले रहा है? नहीं, हो गया फ्रेंचाइजी फाइनल। हाँ, बैठे और मानो
वो बोलना है कि जब आप ये ज्यादा है
समझ नहीं है। अरे यार, फ्रेंचाइजी और हाँ, फ्रेंचाइजी आपकी ऑलरेडी फाइनल है। नहीं हो सकता ना बताए। कल में आपका सबसे बड़ा रिजॉर्ट आ रहा है, जितने रिजॉर्ट वाले आपको सबकी सबके पास सूचना है आपकी।
आया ना, वो रास्ते में बताया था सही है कि ना बताने के लिए। सही बात है ना, वो सर
ऑनलाइन 19 से दो हफ्ते anyone online for Balasore?
Yes, my lord. We have filed our reply, my lord.
जी,
Yes, my lord. The main council is out of town, so we would seek an adjournment.
आपको आपके
Sorry, my lord.
out of country or out of somewhere else? Last time also you sought adjournment.
We-
There is only one option with us. फाइनल बताइए, एक हफ्ते बाद, 2 हफ्ते बाद?
two weeks, my lord. 2 weeks.
फाइनल और
Final, my lord.
फाइनल There is one. There was a century. There was a century that closed upon because of the. है ना committed to that it should be double. Not a requirement. Then officers of the other department. But the share policy, right? But what type of operation? There is no enforcement or it is for have not an half like the road or lot. Then officers come up. Government is for the
లేదు సార్ కొత్తగా వచ్చింది అది 7th ఫ్లోర్ కి అదే అక్కడ నెంబర్ చూసి 7th ఫ్లోర్
there is that or we call it. In 1200 hectares, they have mentioned CRPF is 500. This is case pending under code. Onwards. Shall notice to unprocessed charged by High Court. प्राइवेट को तो आपने सब Commissioner Itanagar and Superintendent of Police have already been requested to provide magistrate for प्राइवेट वालों को एनक्रोचमेंट आपने लिस्टेड है इसमें नोटिस दे दिया आपने
हमारे के पास तो नहीं है ये पहले था
बाद में सभी
तो ईटानगर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी 1978 sir from 7 to 3 the capital was also extended in the capital all over encompassing all these areas in November 1978. So these two are like two different arms of the government taking up the item and it is century of 11.25 square kilometers for year mark for the capital. So out of this 111 square kilometers of the budget century, 76.28 square kilometers is non-forestry. So needs the state government. Our request is go kindly grant us time because in our case it is not the revenue land or it is government land so that we can be immediately handled. In our case, this is individual tenureship also varies.
आपका रिटायरमेंट कब तक है
Sir,
रिटायरमेंट कब है आपका
मेरा रिटायरमेंट सर आपका
बहुत बढ़िया
10 हफ्ता निकल जाएगा तब तक
Sir, this is sir the efforts that are happening. Sir,
today is 29th of June the 10 weeks
no, sir. It's not
More
that.
than
That's
2.5.
not because, sir, after going back on 29, after the last hearing, sir, on A, the government has notified the high-level committee. The committee met on 18th and has directed the land revenue minister to be looking after for this. Sir, serious efforts are going. We are on, in writing, sir, we have given our term. Because, sir,
that is why I am saying it should be only 5 weeks so that by 31st of July
sir, the stakeholders, sir, they have to be
by after 10 weeks you will be gone to Tamil Nadu
my successor is there, sir. That time, my successor is
बड़ा
also not.
प्रॉब्लम तो बहुत ज्यादा है यार
hey it is certainly not
नहीं, नहीं,
Yes, we agree
There's one suggestion which is not on the pleadings, but which taken. There's been a pending proposal, which was a condition in the Subansari hydroelectric project, that they have to declare an area as a conservation reserve area, which was a condition in the one, which they may respond, they have not complied with. So, if I may just say, I am just saying, in return for this area, let them at least declare which was already there as a condition as a way. I'm just saying it's completely up to them. But the fact is that conservation reserve proposal has been lined, the dam has been built. It was a conservation gain in the sense that the area is submerged, but another area will be declared. So the condition given in the EC, for whatever reason, I'm not getting into an adversarial one, they have not declared.
सी कॉपी होगी आपको
If that, it is already, there is a court or Supreme Court order, and there is
ये तो
no.
कर सकते हैं
If that can be weighed out, which will also help them, because that compliance will also happen, and these ones which normally will not be possible to demolish in this. But at the same time, something good comes out. I will put that on record. I'm just saying, they may also consider it, but I'll put it on record by tomorrow. Not copy it.
Arun, उसमें any problem in that declaring that area as a conservation reserve?
Sir, it's only thing that conservation reserve, what has been the progression, I just need some time so that I can get back to the bank. But my submission is that there was a condition to also declare about 45 square kilometers as a sanctuary, so that has been completed. So I will file a factual update.
Smaller area was declared, the larger area, because of the rights issue, they said we'll take it down from a sanctuary to a conservation reserve.
Well, at least yes, that can be done.
At least
That will be the one step ahead.
It's one step ahead. That's what. I'll put that so that it can be. So also gives them a reason.
we will
I'll file a
we will make it only 5 weeks
So kindly give it. So the reason is that, sir,
पहले 5 ले लो फिर Pressure will be there on your high level committee. For 10 weeks you will be gone, then somebody else will come, he will also say that I will have to read.
Santosh Kumar only will come, sir.
No, we will not have that much संतोष with him.
5 वीक के बाद वो संतोष को भी ले आएंगे ना यहाँ पे। वो होता ना एक चार देते दूसरे को, सब वैसे आ जाएगा।
Thank you जी।
Thanks.
आ जाइए। बैठिए, आगे आ जाइए।
Final declaration.
Essentially, 46 kilometers has been declared.
Final declaration.
Final declaration has been done. And finally, factual, but I just need the report.
रिपोर्ट है फाइल करना। आ गया आपका महाराष्ट्र। अब आना है।
Sir, I'm hearing for this. Sir, we have moved an adjournment.
हमें
अरे नहीं,
आने दो।
Yes, we have received instructions. We have received instructions from fire department. I'll tell you what has happened. Sir, in 2018, there was a fire, incident of fire, which has been reported. And in 2022, there was an incident of tree cutting. So the fire department has given us the report post 2021, which we have received. We are still awaiting the report of 2018. And sir, Perani Hotels has recently filed a reply before this committee, and we have received the copy on 22nd. So in that reply, they have mentioned that they had received the permission from the chief conservator of SNGP Park that they had to cut. They have received the direction that they have to cut the dry grass twice every year, and they had to make fencing around the area so that the encroachments can be stopped. So sir, we are still awaiting, and we had filed 3 FIRs, one with related to the fire incident and 2 with related to the cutting of the trees. We are awaiting instruction. Sir, what has happened in that fire?
from whom you are waiting for the instructions?
Sir, with regard to the precautionary measures, as in the last meeting, the sir has mentioned, for precautionary measures, we are awaiting instructions from Department of Planning and Estate Department.
But Department of Planning is with whom?
Under our municipal corporation.
What's the point in saying, see, you are speaking on behalf of the municipal commissioner?
Yes.
Okay, I already spoken to the municipal commissioner. Can anybody say that somebody is working under me and we are waiting some information from them when you are coming before CEC? You just tell me whether this is rational. मेरे ये काम कर रहे हैं मेरे अंडर और मैं ये मेरे पास बैठे, रोज मैं इनको देखता हूँ, मैं इनको बता रहा हूँ, मैं इनसे इंस्ट्रक्शन लेने के लिए बैठा हुआ हूँ. Can BMC commissioner say so? नहीं, वो मुझे तुम बता दो ना, ऐसे लेमैन करके मुझे बता दो, तो then we will write. So we'll take on the note that आप जैसे सरकार वकील हो, आप कह रहे कि we are yet to get the instruction for the subordinate office of the municipal commissioner. होता है क्या ऐसे कभी?
Sir, we had taken all the measures post the incident, but for the precautionary measure, as it is a private land, so we are awaiting instructions on that and the status of the FIR.
कब तक आ जाएगा इंस्ट्रक्शन आपका?
लास्ट टाइम तुम ही थे ना उसमें बीसी में?
Sir, we keep it.
वो बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I don't believe in that. What I did, maybe I will once again speak to the BMC commissioner, but we'll take it down that the BMC commissioner is not getting information from the officers who report to the municipal commissioner. लिख ले ऐसे इसमें. फिर ऐसे कैसे होगा? फिर आप ही कह रहे हो कि हमको नहीं मिल रहे इंस्ट्रक्शन करके. I cannot understand when the boss, particular boss is saying कि मेरे लोग नहीं दे रहे, जबकि उसी ऑफिस में सब लोग है ना, वही अपनी बड़ी बिल्डिंग में है ना, चर्च Whatever it may be, यार बिल्डिंग तो इतनी बड़ी है कि बिल्डिंग में बॉस बैठे, मतलब I don't understand how you are saying like that.
इस फर्म में काम करते हो, लीगल लॉ फर्म है?
Yes.
लॉ, हैं?
Chamber.
इसका चैम्बर है.
J. Ashish Shankar, sir.
आशीष वाट साहब कहेंगे फलाना वाला मुझको नहीं दे रहा इन्फॉर्मेशन.
Sir, he will get the next.
नहीं, आशीष वाट कभी एम्पियर करने जाते हैं, वो कहेंगे नहीं साहब वो मेरा जूनियर जो है मुझे वकील इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दे रहा. यही बात हुई ना, बीएमसी कह रहा प्लानिंग डिपार्टमेंट वाले नहीं दे रहे. प्लानिंग उसी के अंडर में बीएमसी कमिश्नर को अनुसार अगर मैं खुद लेना चाहिए ट्रक से, अगर उसी के अंदर तो खाली बड़ी बिल्डिंग है, 5-6 मंजिल के ऊपर ऑफिस है ना उसका, तो वहीं से अपना अगर उसका ही सबॉर्डिनेट नई इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है तो यही ऑप्शन बचा है. बीएमसी कमिश्नर बहुत बड़ी चीज होता है, प्लानिंग डिपार्टमेंट कैसे नहीं देगा, जरा मिनट में देगा.
आप नाम लिख दो अभी सभी के,
कौन है
जो
planning
इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दे रहे उनके नाम नंबर दे दो.
File, sir.
नहीं, वो ठीक है ना, we will write to the municipal commissioner also.
घबरा रहा है.
नहीं घबराएगा नहीं, ऐसे वो स्टाइल होती है. मतलब you just tell me these are the people who are not giving the information, so I will also discuss the municipal commissioner.
टीएमसी कमिश्नर कौन है आजकल?
अश्विनी भिड़े हैं। नहीं वो तो कर ले रहे हो, जस्ट नाम देने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Yeah, देखो, so you are not aware the names also. Those instructions have not been given to you to reveal the names.
प्लानिंग डिपार्टमेंट ने
Perfect है ना, ये
कौन दे रहा है?
then I accept यार।
सर स्टेट डिपार्टमेंट सर अब 18 अफसर आ जाएंगे सर।
बस यार यहाँ तो अभी देखो उत्तराखंड वाले बैठे हैं यहाँ पर, उनको तो आज ये आना था, कल चीफ सेक्रेटरी ने ऑर्डर कर दिया, खत्म होगी बात, 1 मिनट में हो जाता है। जैसे ही हम लोग की डेट लगती तो कल ही प्लानिंग वालों को देना था, कल ही एस्टेट वालों को दे देना था।
कोई बात नहीं, बता दो कि असेंबली सेशन चल रहा है सर, बाद में दे देते हैं। सेशन इज ऑन ना?
होने वालों को अभी तो एमएलए नॉट एमएलए,
असेंबली सेशन ऑन है ना फिलहाल, तो एवरीबॉडी मस्ट बी बिजी। ये बता दो। एनीवेज जल्दी कर देना, क्योंकि वी आर टेकिंग कि ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है करके, बॉस इज अनएबल टू गिव द इंफॉर्मेशन बिकॉज अदर पीपल नॉट गिविंग एनी सपोर्ट टू द बॉस। लिख रहे वैसे एक ही कंप्लीट इसमें फिर आना चाहिए अभी।
शिवा ऑटो वाला कहाँ है? कोई आए हो बेटा? कितनी बार 2 वीक्स लेते रहोगे? वो कह रहा 2 वीक्स मांग रहा हूँ। एक तो इनका है पॉल्यूशन वालों का, पॉल्यूशन से तो आगे पहले वाले में इंस्पेक्शन में कुछ सजा वजा नहीं दी इनको?
So,
क्या है वो?
that he was not supposed to import DC. So
क्यों?
we couldn't do it for about a year.
अब खत्म हो गया ऑर्डर?
That PCC order has come recently, this month only, last month. Wherein they said we are clarifying that we are not stopping the authorities to impose DC, and even if the CCC guidelines are not there, what is the existence is that was to be done.
इसी इनको लगा दो इनको भी इसी।
Now, that can be recorded in the order. Two inspections more were conducted and they complied.
नहीं वो तो वही हो गया ना कि पहले अगर आप नहीं इंस्पेक्शन करते तो पता नहीं कंप्लाई करते।
There is also a policy of having a compliant inspection with the PCB. They have 2 policies.
अब वो शुक्ला जी नहीं कह सकते ना।
We can submit it.
लेकिन जिसमें कंप्लाइंट इंस्पेक्शन नहीं था उसमें तो फॉल्ट निकला ना।
So they have to do.
उसमें तो
That can be observed because that period was not waived specifically. So if the order will come, we'll make it.
हाँ मतलब अगर है तो पहले तो इसी कितना लगाया क्या लगाया पता चले ना, तो नहीं लगाया।
Affidavit may come from UP body.
नहीं एक तो एफिडेविट तो आया है इंचार्ज,
सर उसमें ये रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है।
बैठो 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 बैठो। आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हो बताओ?
My only submission is that the last submissions, all the NOCs have been procured from the client list, and it has been the affidavit again last submission submitted.
क्योंकि आपका एक फंड भी कटा हुआ मिला था पॉल्यूशन वाले में से उसे
Fine amount was imposed on that, and that has
हम
been paid.
हम ये कह रहे हैं कि जब आपको मौका हुआ जब इन्होंने मतलब एप्लीकेशन दी उस समय आप हर चीज वायलेट कर रहे थे। फॉरेस्ट के भी रूल्स का वायलेशन था, पॉल्यूशन के रूल्स का भी वायलेशन था।
So even water sanction, they were not having. So
तो वाटर का भी नहीं था, हर चीज आपने बाद में की है।
we later made it.
तो हम तो महिंद्रा वालों से पूछने वाले साले आपने इनको फ्रेंचाइजी दी कैसे? तो हम तो महिंद्रा वाले को दिया तो था, तो टेरिटरी मैनेजर महिंद्रा कोई नहीं आया। टेरिटरी मैनेजर कौन है इनका पता करो जरा।
एक अपना एफिडेविट दूसरा
इसका पता करो भाई, टेरिटरी मैनेजर कौन है। गाजियाबाद का जरा, इसको मेल गई थी।
मुंबई में हेड क्वार्टर है,
हाँ
उसको मेल मिली नहीं है, कलेक्शन नहीं होगी क्योंकि उसका एक ही ऑफिस का मेल है मुंबई का।
I will find out and
वो स्पेसिफिक मिल जाए तो जाती है मच
ये
बेटर।
है ना कि भाई आप पॉल्यूशन भी नहीं अवॉइड कर रहे हो, फॉरेस्ट वाले नहीं कर रहे हो, वाटर वाले भी करते वाले, महिंद्रा वाले ये अपनी फ्रेंचाइजी दे किस बात की रहे हैं, जो भी सर उठाए दे दिए किसी को। ठीक है सर, महिंद्रा को लाता है जवाब। ये आप काम लिखते हैं एनवायरमेंटल कंपनसेशन।
it will come in the form of a direction which will say on that. Yes,
तो ज्यादा चलेगा, क्लियर इसमें चलेगा।
From my side, submission may be recorded at the pollution control board में.
लिख के दो ना मैं सबमिशन।
तो लिख के मैं तो फिर दोबारा से अगली डेट पे आएगा।
नहीं नहीं, एक आप कागज
मैं
दो ना। जयपुरिया सनराइज ग्रीन्स,
जयपुरिया में we have filed some only a letter where they are saying that all is well. So we are just going to file an application for the submission of record here.
दो हफ्ते।
Yes, sir. So I'm appearing for it.
So the entire matter, there is a rather larger matter which has been initiated before the honorable NG.
Not that I am aware, I have myself specifically written in this.
What I'm submitting here is, this committee is not just a committee, it is also a court. So when two parallel courts cannot look at the same issue.
Is the same or is it different?
Prayers are totally different. The conduct component is the same, prayers are totally different. I was aware of that thing, and that is why the prayer of mine is totally different from the same.
So for instance, what is
बोलना करे इनको बोल रहे हैं।
Only one thing. Whatever they want to say, better to file it on affidavit so that I can also rebut. If there are any problems,
I have filed a
ये फाइल रिप्लाई मिल गया इनका, इनका रिप्लाई मिल गया।
it was there in the last stage.
I had an application that this court has no. If they are praying something, that this court has no jurisdiction because there's a proceeding and they have to file an application.
नहीं डिटेल में फाइल करो ना बेटा, ऐसे कैसे काम चलेगा। देखो क्या लिखा है आपने।
I had filed, I had said it, there are two issues, sir. May I say something?
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए सुन रहे हैं।
So there are two issues that they have. One issue that they are raising is that there was there were trees and it was cut. On record, the department, the Ministry of Forest, had filed their reply. The reply is annexed here. It is also filed there. There was no trees. They have also asked us for certain records, which was supplied. Some records were not available. This is Kathani. Kathani of 12 years later is not available. We had written a letter to the Tehsildar. They said we do not have any records supplied. Anyway, this was a complete barren land. It was a farmland, and there were no trees. It is not a forest area. So no trees were cut at all. And they, from the records of Google Maps and the ministry had themselves submitted the replies on it that there were no trees. Second issue they are saying is there was an environment PC in 2011. Secondly, again,
they are concerned about your reply that we have replied.
So it is there. Have the EC. So it was last time. This was my last. On me. And supplied.
So then.
So that matter, the application filed before NGT, that was filed by some person who had a personal dispute with the township. So they had a piece of land. So this entire scheme under this township was developed. It was framed. There was
इसका जवाब दे दो।
ये copy दे देंगे मुझे।
And so I may be permitted to file additionally also because on the second issue I did not submit on merits. I said it is since it is subject list, so it should not. So I'll
to give a copy of this to him. ये हमारे पास है नहीं ये।
Whenever you file something on the merit, give that copy to him also, so there will not be any time lapse, and at the same time it can be discussed.
I had done that, but
No,
since.
if you are not done, please check and give.
I'll do it again.
It is always better whenever you submit something over here, give the copies, both of them will be able to read it and decide.
I must have done, but I'll do it again.
फिर कर दो ना, बहुत सारी चीजें चूक
Additionally also, because on merits I did not submit.
ठीक है, दो हफ्ते बाद करते हैं. अंकित वर्मा, जिंदाल स्टील लिमिटेड. जिंदल की तरफ से आया कोई? JSW से कोई नहीं है?
Last time,
नहीं, लास्ट टाइम तो आए थे. लास्ट टाइम तो बहुत सारे लोग थे, 15 लोग थे.
this is that case of 1983 broken up and penalties recovered to the government.
चलो तो 2 हफ्ते बाद आते हैं, कोई नहीं है तो.
सर इसमें रिप्लाई में
हाँ, रिप्लाई दो. हाँ,
उनका रिप्लाई आ गया था सर.
अच्छा आ गया.
कमीशन सीरीज वाइटर आया था.
सर एक recent development हुआ है और तहसीलदार उनका CA लैंड कांड ये डिटेल और
ये क्या है ये?
सर तहसीलदार started the CA land allotted to GSW.
कैंसिल दिस ईयर.
So it has been 2 years and they are not taking any.
You are for Jindal or
We are for state roads.
State of Odisha?
DFO के उनका का भी सर रिप्लाई था उनको.
नहीं तो भाई ये कैंसिल
Please वो cancel कीजिए.
नहीं, ये क्यों कैंसिल किया? Allotment?
Sir, it has been 2 years.
अरे they have not deposited the money that you wanted.
सर I have annexed the letter. यहाँ पे उन्होंने सुपास दिया था कि they do not provide seal and they will vanish. Only this is the recent development that you.
41 crores. ठीक है जी, तो हफ्ते बाद मिलते हैं.
सर नमस्कार सर.
सर नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार जी.
सर myself DFO केवंजा सर.
जी बोलिए.
सर last meeting also sir last so last time nobody stand up.
Your voice is not very clear. You are saying whatever I could hear that last time also they didn't come.
Yes sir.
Please continue.
Sir, the seat which was allotted to him by 2.5 years. So the collector had to cancel it. Because many other user agencies lined up, and the JSPL didn't deposit the money. They also
The basic question is whether they require that land or they don't require that land.
Sir, as per guideline, 7 July 21 and 21 March 23. It's very clear they abuse. Sir.
That we have seen.
Sir.
So we will await the reply of Jindal and then we will do something.
Noted, sir.
Thank you. अगला आइए, डालमिया सीमेंट 14th.
Section 6 वाला मैटर है. Motion file की. Against file the yes, that is correct. And arguing the last time. This there are two issues. Issue notice to Ministry of Right. I don't know whether that notice is for last.
second issue, Motherhead has filed amendment. He had given it to me on the last, but because of these negations, I was not able to file a return. Ministry maybe to appear also. If the notice has gone out or not, I am not sure.
No, we have not given.
The report that did severe relied upon, they also found that it was exceeding 10 square kilometers. This IBM.
Yes, and it also treats my area as a name change case. IBM has already recommended. We'll argue. I've shown that, I signed that.
Well, I think it was to file a
There he is. महाराष्ट्र फिर महाराष्ट्र
फिर महाराष्ट्र तो देखिए ना कौन आया है
महाराष्ट्र
ओनली फॉरेस्ट पीपल दे आर आई थिंक हियर मैं देखते ही
महाराष्ट्र
like Sidco है वहाँ पे हाँ Sidco will have to answer and I will to find out whether there is any from CS
बैठ जाओ रंगा
बैठो 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 आ जाओ यहाँ बैठो चेहरे इधर मल्ली बैठो यहाँ पे you can sit there कोकरे सीट
Can I brief, sir? Can I brief, sir?
आपका हो गया शुक्ला जी उसमें इसी लगा दीजिए इनका we'll write that. आप मुझे हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर या जो भी जो क्लैरिफिकेशन है ना मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिएगा करिए सर आपका मैटर है
शुरू कर सर who is joining the Sidco person has come there so anybody is there from Mantralaya on behalf of Chief Secretary.
Yes, sir. Joint Secretary is there. Yes, sir. Joint Secretary is there.
Please. A DO letter was sent to the Chief Secretary regarding so many things, what are happening in that Raigad case. So we have not received anything. No written submission, no reply, what's happening. So many points were raised. Can you tell me what has happened?
Who is appealing from the secretariat?
Unmute करा सुब्रा.
We can't hear you.
Sir, I am present for urban development case.
You are representing the chief secretary or?
No, urban
you are representing urban development department.
Urban development department, sir. Regarding the Sidco case.
हाँ बताइए ना बताइए. What you want to say बताइए please.
Sidco, sir. Jantimri.
मैं बताऊँ मैं भी पूछ सर.
हाँ anybody can tell.
Sir, initially अपना एक hearing
who is aware what's happening you can tell us.
सर ऑनरी अथॉरिटी के सामने अपना हियरिंग हुआ था सर 20/4/2026 में. तो आफ्टर द हियरिंग प्रोसीडिंग को भेज दिया था सर. तो चीफ सेक्रेटरी सर को जो पॉइंट दिए गए थे 7 पॉइंट दिए थे. तो वो 7 पॉइंट्स पे चीफ सेक्रेटरी को मीटिंग ली. तो 18 मई को सर चीफ सेक्रेटरी रेवेन्यू फॉरेस्ट प्लस सब सीनियर ऑफिसर्स थे. ऑनरेबल चीफ सेक्रेटरी has issued the directive. तो सुब्रा ये पॉइंट सांगा ना म्हणजे नोडल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द स्टेट. सर पहिला पॉइंट था नोडल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द स्टेट. चीफ सेक्रेटरी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र shall take responsibility for coordination and compliance. The government has appointed मुख्य अपर प्रधान मुख्य वन संरक्षक chief and controller. So point number 1 is complete, sir. Regarding the point number 2.
No, it is not complete. He has appointed, that is fine. He has appointed. What has happened later on? Now, what is the status? If he has appointed, if APC is supposed to look into the matter, what has happened thereafter? If the order has been issued on 18th, then what has happened in last 10 days?
Yeah, last 1.5 months.
On 18th of May or 18th of June, it has been done.
18th of May.
18th of May, if it has done, then what has happened in last 1.5 months?
Anyone come from forest department shall tell.
Nobody from forest, you will have to say, because who has issued the order, he will have to look into it, what has happened. So point number one, there is no compliance, only the order has been issued that PCCF will look into it. Who is PCCF? PCCF nodal officer.
Yes, sir. As per the order of Honorable Chief Secretary, he will be the nodal officer.
So have you asked APCF nodal officer to join the meeting through VC? Is he there?
Okay.
Kokre is not additional PCCF. So point number one, nobody is there who has been appointed, so you have to take care, you have to find it out, what has happened thereafter.
Yes, sir.
Come to point number two.
Sir, point number two was regarding the registration and regarding the FIR. Regarding the one case pending in Pen Taluka.
Then what has happened regarding that?
So that is also along with the forest department and home, sir. I'm not updated. Subra,
The forest department. The case has been registered, and what has happened, with whom the FIR has been registered or information has been given.
What is your responsibility?
Sir, as a CIDCO, that this is not further. I'm just telling and briefing this, sir.
The case was to filed by the police department. What will forest department do? Letter has already gone on 27th of May. More than a month. You should have checked whether the case has been filed or not.
Last time you had told the concerned CIDCO person that he will look as a nodal officer till the CS looked into the matter. So nothing has been done thereafter.
And ideally, you should be the nodal officer. You should look into all these things. Every responsibility you have given to the forest department. Letter has gone to the police. Now forest department will take care. Why they will take care? What you will do? You will simply attend meeting through VC. After 10 minutes, you will simply forget it.
Are you able to see that somebody is there from the Mantralaya on behalf of CS? Somebody is there. Nobody is there on behalf of CS. It's only the CIDCO people. So CIDCO people also will not be able to tell anything what's happening on that day. So we have to take it on because CS, nobody is representing the CS. CIDCO people, they will answer that we don't have done anything wrong, so nothing is there. Only thing forest department will say. So nobody has come from the CS side. What are the direction have been given? What are the letter has been written? Nobody is responding on that. So you are responsible for only CIDCO's answer, isn't it?
Yes, sir. I am for CIDCO only.
We will not say able to give anything. So now to write CSK, one person has to be here and not the forest officer or not the police officer. It is from the CS side. It is a big scam, sir. बहुत बड़ा scam है. Even not police personnel are also not there. Nobody is from the DG side also. From police side, nobody is there. SP is not there. Then the special ID is not there. The board is supposed to take the action that they are supposed to file the FIR. Or if they are not taking the note of the FIR, why they are not taking the note of the FIR? From your side, you are following this. Okay, FIR, they are not registering the FIR, not they are doing any action. So repeatedly, you are in touch with all these people. You are writing to the Mantralaya people also.
What about this inquiry of 1100 acres?
DCF Alibag has returned to the hectares. So DCF again he met personally also.
They are doing something or they are?
They told that we will start the next week. There are two issues, sir. One is the inquiry and another one is the operation of the current management. Both we are again in
Is Revenue Department furnishing the list of private forest land to the Revenue to facilitate completion of necessary entries. तो उसमें भी था आपका रिच वाले केस में
सभी इसमें ऐसे हो रहा है ना. So that's why I'm saying they are just playing with it. That's why we had said कि CS will be the nodal officer.
इसको DO लिखते हैं.
हाँ, उनको ही लिखना पड़ेगा. Then he has to do all this thing and all the things where the inquiry has to be done that cannot be leave to the forest department only. And last time, that's why we had written to the Chief Secretary that DG should be directed that they should register the FIR. If they are not registering, the reason should be made known to the CEC why they are not doing it. Because already in 2 places, the land has been given, which is the forest land, to the other people. And still the FIR has not been registered. It has to be by name to the Chief Secretary. Whatever the points have been given to them, no answer has been given. Nobody is taking the responsibility, neither police department people nor the Mantralaya people they are representing. PCF ऑफिस से भी कोई दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है ना? Only the CCF and PCF and the range officer from the Thane, they have come under whose jurisdiction that private forest area is there.
CS को DO लिखते हैं या आपको
CS and then DG police.
ये अपना नाम ले भेजिए
इनको भी आना चाहिए क्योंकि उनकी मेन ड्यूटी है ये.
ठीक है सर. फिरोजाबाद पावर ग्रिड वाले हैं.
So can we leave, sir?
Please, please.
ये पावर ग्रिड वालों को बुलाओ. पावर ग्रिड से कौन है? बिहार का केस भी इस बार. बिहार 2 है.
दोनों भी बोल्डर लिखा है.
आप लोग का कौन सा है? बिहार वाला. क्या चाहते हैं बिहार में? एप्लीकेशन सीकिंग सर्टेन
18 years posted as the last. This sentence is
2007-8. CEC.
Sir,
They told the CEC. So what is the prayer?
there is, I have my own private land. The center is about 6 kilometers away. I have already been made. And again, percent of the commissioner of the region. He is also sent the reports, but I didn't get any judgment from the COC.
What exactly do you want?
I don't expect private land, it should be released, or it should not claim over it. And there are mining needs going on, right?
Okay.
They are picking up of boulders. I mean, because the boulder picking has been done, I don't want to do the picking up again. But at least cultivate my land, at least I can develop it.
Yeah.
Land is covered as eco zone.
Eco-sanctuary zone. नहीं तो that is again. आप बैठ जाओ. आप आगे आओ. नहीं बैठिए. One thing is whether the land is a private land or it is not a private land. Point number 1. If it is a private land, the ownership lies with them. So what they can do in that land, whether they can do mining or not. Mining is prohibited in eco-sanctuary zone. What you are saying. So we can take affidavit from them that they are not going to do any mining, etc.
They are praying for removal of stones and
Who's
all the praying in the eye. The main prayer is for removal of stones.
he has also expired.
You submit a revised application. This time you have submitted a revised application.
No, sir. I submitted an application, I'm here to open my case.
What he is saying, as per the current policy and the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, no mining can be done within ESZ, and your land is within ESZ. So mining of boulders, etc.
It is outside the forest.
Outside.
Sir, total forest area there is about, can I stand up and say? Total forest area up there is 880 square kilometers. Out of 880 square kilometers, 840 was declared by the project and sanctuary and eco-sensitive. This 840 square kilometers.
Your land is within eco-sensitive zone or not?
No.
As per per the July 9, 2021 notification, the land within the eco-sensitive
When is the notification?
of 2021.
It's 21, sir. I'm talking about, this is, I got the lease in 1990.
नहीं, वो तो उसको भूल जाइए अब. Now it is 2026. So whatever has happened prior to
But
2026,
what, I'm ready to give them the land. They pay me
they will not want the land. The question is, now you contact the local forest officers. Only two questions which I want to ask is, point number one, the land is owned by you.
Sir.
Question is, answer is yes. Number two, whether your land falls within eco-sensitive zone or not. If we get the answer of these two questions,
Sir, I just verified, if you can keep this after 3 weeks.
we will keep it.
I will bring it here.
I will keep it.
That is taken on 28th of July, but after 3 weeks,
Sir.
we will verify this fact from the.
Only one thing you verify. You are his son. So if the land is within the eco-sensitive zone, whatever activities are allowed in eco-sensitive zone, you will be allowed. Agriculture is a part of activity that can be allowed. The only thing that cannot be allowed, which the learned council is saying, that is the mining. So because in the original application you have prayed for picking up these stones. At that time ESZ concept was not there. So at that time it was allowed. But now after the Supreme Court guidelines, within eco-sensitive zone, mining is not allowed.
My land pertains outside the mining eco-sensitive zone, the first fact, which I verified subsequently. Second is, we were hand-picking the boulders and taking to it on a different place, and there were the mining activities going on, which we had our pressure back there. So the mining activity, particularly on having on the set piece of land which is under dispute here, we were hand-picking them, removing them, and then we were cultivating the land. And the mining activity with the set boulders was happening at a separate place. We'll file this on record and bring everything on record on the next day.
Thank you.
Sir, only if I receive 2 notices. There are more cases, 3 cases, 1036.
1036, 1037, 1037A.
1037A. There are 3 cases. Okay.
1036.
1036 is there.
36 and 37 is there.
You want to add 1037A also? ठीक है, we will add that. We will keep it after 2 weeks. एक और दे देंगे, 3 weeks हो जाएगा. ठीक है, thank you. We will inform you. यही वाला है? कैसे हो गया? इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. बैठ जाओ. रजिस्ट्री वाले नहीं जा रहे कहीं. अमित आनंद जब तक नहीं जाएगा तब तक कोई नहीं जाएगा. दासिया में आप एफसी देख रहे हो ना? आपका क्या कहना है? लगना चाहिए कि नहीं लगना चाहिए? कोई डिस्कशन करेंगे अभी इसके बाद. इसीलिए आपको रोका हुआ है. आगरा वाले आ गए नहीं आ गए? अरे कहाँ गए यार आगरा वाले तुम्हारे? पावर ग्रिड को नहीं चाहिए क्या? आप एक 1:200 के स्केल पर मैप जमा कर दीजिए, ठीक है? और फिर उसको हम लोग विजिट कर लेंगे आपका एरिया. तो कब तक जमा करेंगे? नहीं सॉफ्ट नहीं, सॉफ्ट कैसे? 1:200 हार्ड चाहिए मेरे को. हाँ 1:200 का कहाँ हार्ड? तुम्हें दिख ही नहीं रहा. $200 है. कहाँ लिखता है? यार ऐसे थोड़ी ना होगा. हमारे तो बोर्ड में जाएगा ना. ना वो लिखता है ना दस्तखत है. तुम्हारा जो इंजीनियर साहब है वो लिखो इसके. 1:200 नहीं है.
1:200 ही है सर. वो उसी पे बनाया है. मैप से किया सर, मतलब मैनुअली है वो, मतलब स्केल नहीं दिखेगा.
स्केल तो ये जैसे इसका डिस्टेंस कितना है दोनों का?
सर ये 33.5 है। वन साइड ROW है सर, ये टोटल 67 मीटर है सर, 33.5।
33 वाला 1:200 में कितना दिखना चाहिए?
छोटा दिखना चाहिए।
2 मीटर जो है 1 सेंटीमीटर दिखना चाहिए।
जी जी सर, और वो दिखता नहीं ना सर, विजिबल होने के लिए हम लोगों ने बड़ा
तो
किया।
वो आप
मतलब
नहीं, वो बड़ा करने से नहीं होता है, वो अलग अलग फिर दोबारा मैपिंग करनी होती है। इसको सही तरह बना के स्केल लिख के अपने अधिकारी के साइन करा के आप कल जमा करो, ठीक है? आपको आने की जरूरत नहीं इसके लिए। है क्या दिल्ली में, इससे मिलना चाह रहा हूँ बार बार? कई बार होता है, आने का मन करता है कि आने दिल्ली चले,
आगरा से कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है।
नहीं कई बार रहता है। क्यों सरकार साहब, पता ना कई बार दिल्ली में कोई है, उससे मिलने जाना है तो
आगरा वाले तो दिल्ली आते रहते,
किसी बहाने निकल लें। हाँ ये तेलंगाना डेक्कन सीमेंट फिर आ गया दोबारा। हाँ ये बताइए, स्टेट से है कोई?
सर
ए,
good morning sir, nodal officer from Telangana sir. Good morning sir.
जी बताइए प्लीज।
Yes sir, he filed a similar complaint sir. Already the honorable committee has enrolled into and disposed the case sir, because there were no merits of this. But again the complaint,
इसका आंसर दे दीजिए, इसका रिप्लाई दे दीजिए ना।
Yes sir, we have submitted sir, day before yesterday we submitted sir.
They have submitted?
Yes sir.
इनको दे दो आप, एक कॉपी इनको दे दो। आपको मिल गया? एक कॉपी इनको भी दे दो। आप किसकी तरफ से? डेक्कन सीमेंट? एक कॉपी इनको भी दे दो।
Absolute similar application that was filed and that was adjudicated by the honorable committee. Absolutely similar.
नहीं, वहाँ पे 8 हेक्टेयर था, यहाँ 21 हेक्टेयर बता रहे हैं।
Kindly see your lordship orders. This was adjudicated.
Starts at 60.
It's okay. Lordship order. Para E. The applicant has raised an issue that the user agency has illegally encroached over reserve forest land to the extent of 31.63 hectares, which was 21 plus 10. In Saibul Nam Reserve Forest compartment number 26 and 27. And now the new original complaint also says that the reserve forest land has been encroached in compartment number 27. This has already been adjudicated. So kindly see then para K. Para K of the order. The forest department in their reply further replied that as per field verification and as per the DGPS survey, no additional encroachment was found to be done by the DCL beyond the reported extent. The DCL has complied with the conditions stipulated to the approvals granted to it. After this submission, sir, kindly see para S. He is again relying on the same forest flying squad command division report. This has been adjudicated once again, sir, para S. Kindly, the reliance placed by the applicant on the flying squad report is misplaced, as the joint committee which was appointed by the NGT observed that the DFO flying squad has not done any field survey, not verified any records, and not sought any clarification from the forest officer to ascertain satellite images. Thus, the DGPS survey was conducted from 10/1/21 to 11/2/21, which is reliable as it verified the ground truth. This was also taken into consideration.
को जवाब दे लेना तो ना, आपने स्टेट का जवाब इनको दे दिया है, आपको रिटर्न में देना हो तो दे दो, आप इसका जवाब दो, ठीक है?
One more, just last conclusion. The committee also examined the allegations regarding encroachment over an additional 31.63 hectares area and concluded that DCL had not willfully encroached upon any forest land beyond the aforesaid 8.02. This issue of 21 hectares is basically misleading. What he has done is 31 minus 10, so he has again come up with this new application. First of all, he was casting aspersions on the forest department, then on DFO, then on NGT, then on High Court. And I'm sorry to say, but in his application, he has casted aspersions on the honorable committee itself. He is saying that on one day the committee said something, on the other day the committee said something. This is not the process, and I filed the review petitions, but they have simply dismissed. So, what kind of aspersions is he?
आप जवाब दो.
Sir, actually, my contention is very clear. In 1650 mainly, my OE डाला था. There is an encroachment in two compartments. One is 26 compartment number 26, which is got regularized by the council authority. That was challenged by me in CC. And go of that 8.02 के लिए जो ने regularization किया ना, उसके लिए अब CC ने dispose. Rest of encroachment, जो 21 point something hectares in additional another compartment, which is reported by the forest line.
That is what they are saying, that there is no encroachment.
No, sir. That's
So you have to submit any evidence that there is an encroachment.
Yes, sir.
Where is the evidence?
It was submitted in my application. Will you please see my annexures?
इनको दो.
Annexure number 6, sir. Annexure number
Page number बोलिए.
Page number 64. Annexure number 6 is KML file of forest. Sir, forest KML file. It is related to compartment number 27. Will you please look at on the total red line is inside outside the forest land. Sir, this is the compartment number 27, A6 and page number 64. Please have a look on year by year. It is the 2025 का है, 2025 का है, 2023 का है, 2002 से इन लोगों ने एंक्रोचमेंट करना है, उन लोगों का एक्टिविटी बढ़ा के जा रहा है. वही मैं that is my contention, sir. These 21 hectares is particularly on behalf of 27 compartment only. And I would like to submit one more additional submission, sir, which is Forest Department का official visit map. This
Page number.
Annexure number 7, page number 87. It's showing that the total reserve forest of the Suryapet district. And if you please go for next page, sir, 88. Compartment number 26 का encroachment. ये जो compartment number 26 का encroachment है सर, वो 8.02 का. इन लोगों ने एडमिट किया, उसको एंक्रोचमेंट के कंफर्म किया और रेगुलराइज भी किया. उसका नेक्स्ट पेज देखिए सर. नेक्स्ट पेज भी 26 का कंफर्मेशन. वो पूरा
नंबर 89.
यस सर.
तो सेटल हो गया ना. तो अब ये नए वाले का बताओ.
नए वाले का बताओ सर. 29 90 पेज नंबर 90. कंपार्टमेंट नंबर 27 का सर. विल यू प्लीज हैव अ लुक. टोटल एंक्रोचमेंट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट लैंड. इस एंक्रोचमेंट को सर 2013 में फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड एंक्रोचमेंट फाउंड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर. द रिपोर्ट आल्सो आई सबमिटेड इट्स ऑन कमिटी.
रिपोर्ट कहाँ है?
सर पेज नंबर 15.
15.
पेज नंबर 15 annexure 3. Field inspection done by the Chandrasekhar Malai, Action Principal Director of Forest.
What's the actual page number written in the way?
15, yes sir.
15.
15. Which one? Plan number 1, sir. Plan number 1. The board में लिखा sir, the station number 7 of the lease area newly constructed, which was I'm saying that lease number 2, which is located in compartment 27 only. Is evidently said that from the 2002. They are gone, the reconciliations are gone to the position of the forest land. And he has given instruction to the reconciliations limited and forest officers to take proper inquiry and DGPS and DGPS survey to conclude the encroachment. And then
डेक्कन सीमेंट ऑफिसर्स ने रिप्लाई दिया था एंड प्रॉमिस किया और विदिन 1 month they will take an action, they will conclude the report. But since the 2013, there is no one reported the encroachment. After the 2020 only, NGT order. After the 2020 NGT order, only the DFOs admitted there is an encroachment. Some extent of encroachment. Even no one questioned the encroachment, the issue definitely cannot be come to light. 2013 में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर ने रिपोर्ट किया था, उसके बाद उसको छुपा के रखा था. 2020 में एनजीटी डायरेक्शंस का वजह से इन लोग ने
इन्हीं का ऑफिसर है, स्टेट का ही,
स्टेट का, सॉरी,
नॉट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट.
I just need to go. Sir, after 2020 NGT direction, within 3 months, there is 3 types of surveys conducted by the same forest department. Forest department flying squad and forest department range officer and beat officer. They are in part of the survey on BGPS and flying squad survey maybe we participate किया था, and one more survey was conducted in support of the officers. 3 survey reports, 3 outcomes दिया सर. Same forest officers. Please, annexure number 5.
पेज नंबर बोलिए.
Page number 63. Sir, 18/3/2020 में forest beat officer, section officer, and MRO follow through the concerned division officer. In तीनों मिलकर कलेक्टर का डायरेक्शन वजह से ये लोग पूरा सर्वे किया था सर. वो लोग बोल रहे हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू सर्वे टोटल डेक्कन सीमेंट में कोई भी गलती नहीं किया, कोई भी इंक्रोचमेंट नहीं हुआ. 2020 थर्ड मंथ में 2026 मंथ में आफ्टर फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड रिपोर्ट आने के बाद इन लोगों ने सेल्फ डिफेंस में गया था. इसके लिए 8.02 एंक्रोचमेंट को एक्सेप्ट किया. अगर 8.02 को इन लोग एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया तो द डीएफओ हैज नो राइट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द केस which is ongoing case in NGT. That's why he was later admitted 8.02 hectares. And also, and at the time of 2020, a balance encroachment 21 hectares is vacated. After that, after the 2022, they are established the third plant of the cement plant in this particular 27 compartment. That is why I was challenging the environment clearance of this third plant in NGT. That is why NGT given the directions to you may go and approach the appropriate forum in on the forest violations and regulations. My contest is very clear, sir. NGT has not said that your contest is false like that. NGT is given directions to approach appropriate forum on behalf of the regulation and encroachment. So that is good. And these forest officers definitely they cannot accept the encroachment because they are clearly having big cements and yeah, okay. Yeah, that's my allegation. That's my allegation because
let him say we will look at.
Sir, that's my allegation because up to 2020 there is no forest officer that said there is an encroachment done by the Deccan Cement Limited.
Are you sure whatever you are saying that is with some sound proof or some papers, or is it just the wild saying?
No, sir.
That is must happen. There is a proof. So we are speaking with the proof.
Encroachment by the Google imagery and the satellite imagery में भी clearly visual हो रहा है. 2002 से वो लोगों में encroachment कर रहा है. Sir, the forest officer silently sitting in as silent spectators when the forest land is systematically grabbed by the Deccan Cement Limited. After coming to their notice by the private person, they are simply going for the regulation.
Yes, simply going for the
regulation. If nobody reports their encroachment, means definitely they don't need to go for declaration. They don't need for go something else. Now, so because of our complaint, Deccan Cement mining violation prove हो गया, environmental compensation pay कर दिया 14 crores and mine excess mining के लिए 14 crores fine कर दिया state government के लिए and encroachment भी prove गया. हमारा contention पूरा proved है सर, prove हो गया. हमारा contention कोई भी invalid नहीं है. NGT में भी वही किया सर. लेकिन
mining, there was an encroachment in mining area also.
No, sir, no. That is proven by that is very clearly proven by the DFO. And he said there is no violation on behalf of the mining activity. They are not encroached excess land which is beyond the lease area. But it's very clear that in enclosed area they are established permanent structures only, which is related to cement plant and officers' quarters and all. I am not only relaying the forest flying squad report, sir. I am giving the submissions to the present online imagery maps and satellite imagery maps, and which is officially forest department's official map. And also on one submission I just wanted to give, sir. Sir, may I complete?
Please.
Sir, actually, yes. So this is the mine list 2. Will you please ask them to come? This is the mine list 2, sir. What I'm saying is encroachment part is here. Encroachment, eastern side of the encroachment, which is 2013 में officer ने indicate किया था. इस part पे अब आप देखिए सर, ये पूरा आगे आ गया बोल के
कौन सा पेज?
2013 report.
पेज नंबर बता दो, मैप देखने के लिए.
Already considered the NGT.
Let him finish, then you can tell what's again.
Oh, page number 15, sir. Page number 15.
The number
15.
Yeah, go ahead. I will make sure. So page number 15. Will you please see the station number 7 of the lease area is newly constructed RCC pillar, and it is about 1 meter inside the compound wall of the station. And number 8 of the rubble stone pillar, and it is not made RCC pillar. It looks that a part of lease area is encroached upon the between the station number 7 and 8 and also 210. Evident from the Google imagery of the 2002 that there was not a compound wall in between the diverted forest area and forest boundary. Hence, immediate survey of this portion has to be taken up as per the FCA proposal to know that whether there is an encroachment or not. It is very clearly evident that 2002 में उन लोगों ने encroachment start किया था. ये portion sir. ये portion इधर भी अब आसान से देख सकते हैं. ये सब ये portion.
7 कौन सा है इसमें?
27 compartment number.
Pillar number 7.
Pillar number 7 है. ML7.
ML7 इसमें कौन सा है?
इसमें ये है सर. ये ML7 है, ML3. ML2 ML3. 2013 में ML3 नहीं दिया सर इन लोगों को.
नंबर 7.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Station number 7.
इसमें स्टेशन नंबर 7 कौन सा है?
इसमें स्टेशन नंबर 7 है सर. यहाँ से यहाँ तक स्टेशन नंबर 10 आता है.
What is 8? 7 वो हो गया. नहीं, this is 7 or that is 7?
Sir, this is 7, 8, यहाँ तक 10 आता सर. Yes sir. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9 and 10.
ये तो इसमें कहाँ एनक्रोचमेंट हुआ?
ये सर ये पूरा फॉरेस्ट लैंड है सर. ये पूरा फॉरेस्ट लैंड सर. ये पूरा फॉरेस्ट लैंड इधर फॉरेस्ट वर्टिकल बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट किया. ये पूरा देखो सर. ये माइन लीज है और एक मैप आपको देखो. ये ML2 का ML2 का टोटल काउंट है सर. ये हम जो बोल रहे हैं ऐसा is clearly shown by the satellite imagery. And also sir, yes, Pedalama are black boundaries as per the gazette notification. Sir, gazette notification का ये violet का है, and RS boundary का JS का ये blue है. सर आप clearly देख सकते हैं सर. सुपर इम्पोज करने से सर KML forest KML5 and JS का and forest gazette का एंड विलेज रेवेन्यू मैप का सुपर इम्पोज करने से आसान से मालूम पड़ेगा सर. लेकिन लोगों ने टेक्निक सर ये जो एंक्रोचमेंट है सर ये भी हमारा वजह से प्रूव हो गया. क्या सर ये एक पार्ट है या 2 पार्ट है? ये 25, 26 का है, 27 का है सर. बिकॉज सर आई वांटेड टू रिपोर्ट वन थिंग सर. ये एंक्रोचमेंट अगर एडमिट करने से एंक्रोचमेंट पूरा मिलकर 15 एकर्स का ज्यादा हो जाएगा सर. अगर 15 एकर्स का ज्यादा होने से the proposal will be reached to FCA, Forest Advisory Committee. That is the purpose. They are clearly avoided this 20 hectares of land. less than 15 hectares, the proposal will be go to REC only. So they need to, no sir, 15 hectares. 15 hectares. No, sir. Before 15 hectares, less than 15 hectares, less than 15 hectares, the proposal.
How it will make the difference? REC or FCA?
नहीं वो ठीक है,
FCA stand करता है.
इसी में ये कि थोड़ा ज्यादा
And also state government का concern PCF और ये लोग में ना आ सकता है.
Strong allegation which is doing that, but I would like to also
It's an allegation, definitely.
these are our patta lands.
Definitely,
This is not the forest land that he is claiming. These are our patta lands that your lordship has also recorded. This whole part is with DCL. Sir, this part is our patta land, and this also is the mining lease is ML3 is with us.
In between mine lease 3 and revenue land, there is a gap, sir. There is a gap. That is what 2013 report said. Yeah, that is what 2013 report said.
Sir, 2013 report
है ना, अब आप उसको रिप्लाई करो ना.
Yes, sir.
नहीं होगा तो सर्वे कराएंगे.
Sir, but
I वही पूछ रहा हूँ sir. मैं वही पूछ रहा है ना. We have given a phrase thing. Point was reply करो.
Sir, अलग-अलग फोरम में जा रहे हैं, अलग-अलग सर्वे हो रहे हैं. Sir, ये my right to go. Kindly see this, sir. I am not relying on any of the three surveys that he is talking about. I am relying on the independent body that was constituted by NGT, consisting of district forest officer, environmentalist, assistant director, mines and geology, and district collector. All the independent persons. This same allegation, every map, everything encroached 2003 has been placed before NGT, 31.63 hectares. They have said, and kindly see the NGT order. This is the NGT order. We do not find any reason to interfere with the findings of the joint committee that only 8.02 hectare of forest land has been encroached by the respondent, which was
The same
this is everything. And sir, he is saying that forest officials were silent. The starting point is he was also silent because he was employed in Tech and Civil. Only after when he was terminated, he got all these things.
This is my resignation letter. This is my contract certificate given by the Tech and Civil
Because financial fraud was in light to everyone. Sir, this is sir, we are not pressing on that issue.
Just wanted to go by the personal means.
Just go ahead. They will give simply respond.
This one. Page 21, sir. Page 21 of the order. Read it out. Last time you did arguments हो चुके सब all. It's just simply the 21. Page 21. The issue of the alleged encroachment over reserved forest land and cycle number reserved forest.
No, that
Sir,
it was
please, page number 51 पे आप एक बार देखिए सर. NGT क्या बोला था? Page number 50. The report filed by the Joint Committee recently also does not show the status of mining project measures taken by in respect of mine lease 1. Made by the eighth respondent, Deccan Cement Limited. They also have not mentioned as to whether excess mining has been done in the encroached area and what is the action taken by them for realization of royalty, excess mining and penalty thereof, except stating that they are taking steps for the regulation of the same.
Sir, because that was his contention.
Not
it is not an order. It is your contention. I will contend.
The NGT,
my contention is that you are in collision with the forest, then that will become
definitely
that will become an order. Your contention.
Definitely, NGT, the order, sir.
NGT did not do that. And sir, NGT, that is your contention and your mind speaking it out.
NGT order 2021, sir. 22/2, 2021.
And sir, NGT did not entertain this because another application of his that he is claiming. Yes, NGT dismissed that application.
कोई बात नहीं, इसका जवाब दो ना.
Definitely, sir.
We will be provided with the pictures.
Whatever you have, second you will reiterate all these things. Yes. That is the only thing that will be
ये ले लो आप, तो हम तो यहाँ से ले लेंगे.
That is, oh,
yes.
I'll provide you.
It's fine, absolutely. One copy is already here. So, and then respond. And when you respond, is the respond people copy first. Yeah,
even 1650, in part of 1650, I was not getting any reply from the Director and the Forest Department. Till now, I was not.
That's why you told you are going for.
I will go appropriate. I will not approach you different. I will definitely go appropriate form only, not working allegations against.
Relating that, they will have to respond, they will copy to you, but if you one side respond on the respond, give them copy to them. So that at least both the parties will understand. That is the only important thing.
ये हो गया आपका?
Yes, sir. If you don't take baseless allegations in every.
कोई बात नहीं, आप भेजिए ना जवाब. He has the right to file application. You have the right to reply to that. That's all. भाई दिल्ली वाला जो है आपका, ये सब आधार काटे जा रहे हैं. हाँ. 3 केस हैं. 3 केस के अलावा भी बहुत सारे हैं. और वीडियो करके वो लेडी जो है वो कर रही, वीडियो बना रही है रोज. आपका कौन सा है? अरे ये
दिल्ली फॉरेस्ट में
21 कंप्लेंट फाइल लगे तो आप
आपका भी है. मेरे ख्याल में 5-6 हो गए.
जो बना रहे हैं उनकी लगता है कि ये दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में भी चल रहा है, नॉर्थ डिवीजन का है.
ये किसी का भी. हाँ, इसमें क्या करना चाहिए?
हमारी चीज करने के ऐसा कुछ कि अभी क्या है कि ओनली कंपाउंडिंग इज द ओनली सॉल्यूशन.
नहीं, एक तो है ना जिसमें DPTA में हमने कर रखा है कि अगर उससे ज्यादा काटेंगे तो 5 लाख रुपए पर ट्री लगेगा.
वो तो सर आपका डायरेक्शन ये है कि अगर फिक्शन पर अगर काटते हैं तो 5 लाख के बनेंगे. अब थिंग इज दैट कि जैसे सेक्शन 8 में डेंजरस के नाम काट रहे थे, वो तो हाई कोर्ट ने नोटिफिकेशन स्टे कर दिया है कि नोटिफिकेशन आया है. नाउ अब थिंग इज कि अलावा भी जो इलीगल फैलिंग कर रहे हैं, काफी सारी जगह इलीगल कॉलोनी करते हैं, काफी जगह फार्म हाउस वाले होते हैं, वो काट देते हैं कि लगा भी हुआ है यहाँ. तो उसके अंदर सर
ओरिएंटल स्ट्रक्चर्स बक्सी बात.
Number 20. Where in that? Note of submission also or conditions made. Where, of course, other than the fact that we pointed out that unfortunately while that has happened, we've shown how when the notice came in, they have taken.
नहीं, लेकिन आप ये बताओ, मतलब nothing against you और, लेकिन रोज पेपर में आ रहा है कि आज इसने स्टे कर दिया. बक्सी फार्म वाले कोई छोटे मोटे आदमी थोड़ी ना होंगे, तो बड़े आदमी होंगे, पढ़े लिखे आदमी होंगे. ये कैसे कह सकते हैं मालूम ही नहीं कि साहब पेड़ काटने के लिए परमिशन नहीं चाहिए. बाद में गिनती होगी.
किसी को लगे भी ना कि पेड़ भी हट गए और काम भी हो. Completely maltreated.
At the end of the day, we have planted, we have complied, completely complied with their order. They included in the order. We have complied with their order. Now, if this honorable committee was to impose some other condition, not more things, we are willing to do that. If there is some penalty to be imposed, we are.
That should be higher.
वो तो वही 5 लाख रुपए पेड़ होगी.
और उससे ज्यादा भी होना चाहिए कॉम्पेंसेटिव
That is very easy for him to say, but it is like some.
ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, देखो ये आप भी खड़े होते हो, हमारे साथी खड़े होते हो, आप ओका साहब जैसे लगाते हैं कि भाई आप लोग क्या कर रहे थे, तो सब झेले हैं ना वहाँ पर. वो ऐसे उसमें कैफेम्स वाले में तो अल्टीमेटली सरकार पर आ जाती कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे थे, आपने क्यों नहीं कुछ किया. बेस हॉस्पिटल वालों ने भी काट दिए.
बेस हॉस्पिटल का कंप्लेंट यहाँ पे आया था, CEC ने से रेफर किया था वेस्ट डिवीजन को. तो कंप्लेंट वाज दैट कि अराउंड 1000 ट्रीज कटे हैं. हाउएवर री-इंस्पेक्शन किया था, 63 ट्रीज कटे थे, बट वो नंबर सही नहीं आए थे. हुआ कि वहाँ पे काफी सारे झाड़ वगैरह इकट्ठा हो गए थे, तो बेस वालों को डायरेक्शन मिलते हैं यहाँ से कि आप जॉइंट इंस्पेक्शन करिए. वो ढंग से जॉइंट इंस्पेक्शन हुई नहीं. So that number is still not clear कि whether it is 63 or 100 or 200, but initially forest guard ने जब आपने inspection की तो उसको 63 में complaint with 1000 के. And again, if base hospital wants to compound that offence or whatever, मतलब यही एक option बचता है compounding.
तो आपने क्यों काटे बेस हॉस्पिटल ने?
Sir, actually we are not part of the base hospital, we are part of COD. In this summons, sir, we have got a notice and complaint.
Nobody is there from the West hospital. तो आपको देखना चाहिए ना. You should ask them why they have cut the trees without any permission.
So we have to submit that our name is not listed on the submission. We are not actually involved in this.
The commandant COD.
Yes.
Who is there? Who is the appropriate person?
Sir, commanding basis.
Commandant based hospital.
Readily after a notice of बजाना चाहिए because here base of it's like DDA only कि इंजीनियर में बोलता है कि बैलिंग व्हील के पास है बैलिंग बोलता है कि प्योर व्हील के पास है वो अराउंड की
तो बेस हॉस्पिटल किसके पास है?
सब मेरे ख्याल से आपका someone who is at the top so that वो सही आदमी को नोटिस भेज दे कौन आ सकता है अदरवाइज लास्ट 1 ईयर से भी ये इश्यूज चल ही रहे हैं.
अभी ये जैसे बता रहे थे कि कंसर्न कौन है वो अब उसके ऊपर वाला आप ही बता सकते हैं, उनको ही बुलाना पड़ेगा.
Who is in charge of the base hospital? What is his mobile number? What is the name of the commandant? You provide the mobile number and the name.
So the exact rank of the officer, who is the officer who will able to give the answer, and he will should able to find it out who has done it, who is responsible or not, so that this miscommunication will not happen.
So Colonel Sanjeev Kumar Bakshi was from the referral hospital.
Last time we appeared.
R&R के थे.
R&R base hospital में difference है. Base hospital में भी है.
R&R is different, base is different.
बेस में तो वही आए थे.
बेस में वही थे. बेस में बख्शी आए थे.
बख्शी आए थे बट
रिटायर हो गया ना.
रिटायर्ड हो गए.
तुमको ये देखना पड़ेगा वो इज द राइट पर्सन, वो और उनके बॉस, तो तभी तो हो पाएगा ना ये.
तीसरा भी यही इलीगल सेलिंग ऑन ओल्ड खेरा रोड नजफगढ़.
इसके अंदर सर क्या है कि प्लॉटिंग वाज गोइंग ऑन बाय some local builders along with the involvement of certain other people. तो मैंने स्टेटमेंट करवा दिया था. स्टेटमेंट के बाद ही आई थिंक was going on. पुलिस को थाना was around 100 or 200 meters away, but उन्होंने कोई भी एक्शन नहीं लिया था. We have requested them for FIR also, but उससे कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ.
थाना कौन सा है?
नजर बड़ी रहेगा. नजर
कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है?
ऑपरेशन है.
एक और था कोहनूर फार्म जो कि बंद पड़ा हुआ है.
वो इंक्लेव था, उसमें एक फार्म को हमने पूरे इंक्लेव के ऊपर हमने एनजीटी में केस में ट्राई कर किया था. सबके इंडिविजुअल नाम इससे पता करके एनजीटी फॉर्म में से नाम दिए. वो भी एनजीटी में.
बताओ सरकार साहब इसका वे आउट बताओ.
Well, sir, I only speak in so far as serial number 20 is concerned. So there are respective submissions and we put in a note of submissions as well. At the end of the day, today, unfortunately, this has happened. It should not have happened. I'm not saying that we were legally allowed to continue or transplant. We should not have done it. But today we are in a situation, particularly when I say for serial number Bakshi Farm, that is a very structure. An interim order was issued. We have fully complied with that interim order. We have given that proof here in reply. The inspection has been carried out. That, in fact, I think one has been carried out and it has been confirmed. Now, if any, and we've also moved an affidavit for compounding for this honorable committee. We are praying that let a compounding today happen. If this honorable committee wants to put some other condition of planting more trees, which I do realize has been done in other cases.
10 times to I.
So that can definitely a direction which we welcome and we will comply with it, no problem. But today our respective submission is, we apologize for what has happened. Let us put a closure to this matter. We've complied with an interim.
You have submitted your reply. You have submitted your reply.
Yes, we have. And a note of submission also on 2015.
Sir, I have also one submission. This was initially case for investigation, then it has gone to south. तो अगर इनको प्लांटेशन में भी करना है तो इट शुड बी डन एट द सेम प्लेस. अदरवाइज ये तक यही मैसेज चला जाएगा आप पेड़ काटो कंपाउंडिंग करो और आगे बढ़ो. अदरवाइज फाइन शुड बी एग्जाम्पलरी इन नेचर. मतलब I don't know what they are doing there,
but insofar as the 250 trees are concerned, it was planted at that very site. You said I am saying some instructions.
Have they been planted?
planted without permission, for which I had given the interim order at least 6 foot height, 2.5 foot, 3 times the number of trees has to be planted here. They are saying that they have planted
pedigree में किया है, but not maintaining the application. I think what sir means is कि जिस point से पेड़ करता है, वहीं पे लगाया जाए तो सही रहता है.
Otherwise, it was like कि even in the case of Caffein's के case में अगर आप देखें, the punishment was exemplary, कितना सारा land दे दिया, साथ में अभी भी they are taking the permission. So it becomes a model because in whole Ghitorni, Rajokri, Rampuri, lot of farmhouses are doing the plotting and nothing else. आपको आप पेड़ काटते हैं, अगर किसी ने पकड़ लिया तो ठीक है, otherwise complete plotting.
और ट्रांसलोकेशन का वैसे सर्वाइवल इज वेरी पुअर सर.
नहीं, ट्रांसलोकेशन तो सेलिंग में ही आता है.
सेलिंग में आया था, उसके बाद अगर वो करें ट्रांसलोकेट भी कर रहे हैं तो एक वाइट पेड़ भी लगाएं उसके नीचे.
Again permission लेके लगाएं ना. It is not like they are making something a permission in case
एक पेड़ भी लगाना चाहिए उसके नीचे उसी वैरायटी का उसी स्पीशीज का, क्योंकि वो खत्म हो जाएगा 5 साल में.
वही लगाना चाहिए. नो penal action in this case.
इधर हो जाए तो साथ में हमको डायरेक्शन मिल जाए, पुलिस को भी डायरेक्शन मिल जाए कि एफआईआर करो, हम मैजिस्ट्रेट
को करना ही चाहिए. फिर कर अगर ऐसे हो रहे कोई पेड़ काटो तो penal action has to be there. Prosecution तो होना चाहिए, एफआईआर भी तो होना चाहिए. बिल्कुल सही.
Sir, but there if I may interrupt, that is why Section 61 exists for compounding the offense. I mean, we only move an application for compounding. We don't say that, you must compound.
डीपीटीए का तो कोर्ट ने वर्चुअली अपने हाथ में ले रखा है. डीपीटीए का सब उन्होंने कर दिया कि कोई पावर की पावर ही नहीं डीपीटीए में. कहाँ से कंपाउंडिंग कर रहे हैं. चलिए देखते हैं इसको, इस पर कोई आज बैठ के हम लोग बनाते हैं पॉलिसी.
Because all the cases that have come here, all they are of farms only, sir. And it's a classic case कि कहीं पे posh farm है तो अलग तरीके से काम कर रहा है, कहीं पे खैरा फूड वाला है तो देसी प्लॉटिंग कर रहा है. They are cutting the tree overnight, acid डाल दे रहे हैं, काट दे रहे हैं, बाहुबली आ जाएगा, जो आना है. But they are like left, right, and center. ऐसे तो फिर यही बस कंपाउंडिंग किया, थोड़ा बहुत अमाउंट में इनको पता है मिनिमम 60,000 है, 1 लाख लगा दो, 2 लाख लगा दो, 5 लाख लगा दो, कट करता है सही. So it has to be some aggressive कि plot पे violation होनी चाहिए. This is my suggestion.
प्लॉट पे कितना होना चाहिए?
तो जितना हटा उतना तो होना चाहिए.
नहीं, जितना हटा तो
have been cut. तो आप क्या तो 8 फुट के कम से कम वहाँ पे 80 trees लगाओ at the same location जहाँ तक डाल. Then come up with the alternative design and take the permission from the competent authority. Same thing has happened in Caffein's also. सड़क बन गई उसके बाद भी कोर्ट ने कहा जी प्रॉपर परमिशन
छोड़ने पड़ेगा उसको.
तो इसमें भी यही हुआ ना. अदरवाइज ये तो बढ़िया तरीका के 57,000 की परमिशन लेनी पड़ती है. उसका डबल अमाउंट में मेरे को अगर पेड़ काट के सिर्फ पेड़ ही लगाने को मिल रहे हैं, मैं बाउंड्री पे लगा देता हूँ, अशोक के पेड़ लगा देता हूँ, कहीं कोने में लगा देता हूँ, खिदौनी में काटता हूँ और साउथ दिल्ली में कहीं जाके पेड़ लगा देता हूँ. दिस has become an MO for the majority of the owners in Delhi. And that's why we are hand side. कि एक्टिविस्ट भी मान लो कोर्ट में जाते हैं तो कोर्ट कुछ ऑर्डर देती है, बट वैसा नहीं मिल पाता है जितना और सीरियस चाहिए इस चीज. Because public ask the question, जैसे वो लड़की के साथ वीडियो डालती रहती है.
But sir, if I may, I mean, I say this dispassionately as a counsel, not just for this case. Now, this is a larger issue where, when trees are cut at one point, should be planted somewhere else. We know what happened in the Andaman and Nicobar project, where they say plant the trees in Haryana. The criticism on all side. The reality is that today, it has to be dealt with on a case-by-case basis. You cannot, I would respectfully submit that one cannot pass a blanket order that wherever trees have been cut, that very place will have to be. I understand that yes, they should be in that vicinity, in that region, as we have done in our case as well. But to pass a blanket order in every case or in every situation, I would respectfully submit may not be the most appropriate.
But in case of legal permission, it is illegal cutting. In case of legal permission, it's fair enough that कि alternate area में जाकर plantation का तो नहीं है. It is तो like कि आप यहीं पे काटो और कहीं पे और लगाओ. I disagree with that. कि legal cases it can be that you can start anywhere.
Point है ना लेकिन.
Sir, to this my answer is, like I said, we have not tried to contest the fact that we did not take permission. Yes, we agree. Unfortunately, we did not take permission. We ought to have taken permission. I'm not today saying that no permission was required for even transplanting these trees. Whatever may have been the intent of this transplantation exercise. Now, when this has been done, when an interim order has been passed by him, or whoever the relevant officer was, and we comply with it. Not saying that we were right or wrong. We say yes, we must comply with it because an order has been passed. We understand what has happened. Unfortunately, it should not have happened, and we comply with it. And that inspection will be carried out to confirm.
Now, if something more needs to be done, we are open to listening and complying. We are not shying away from planting more trees here. We understand the trees.
But only planting away the tree, that will not suffice.
No, I mean-
Why this has happened at the first place, that is the most important point he is telling.
My instructions are that, I mean.
No, that is fine.
For him to say
When
that-
you said you are dispassionately telling, not as a particular person, but as a layman, if somebody knows that this is the law, but still that person is cutting the tree and saying that I will replant the tree.
My instructions are that they were not aware when it came.
For the time being, leave out the instruction. I am just asking you because you are saying it dispassionately. You are saying, if somebody says, see, 10 sets of पेड़ काटने थे, but still I cut that tree. Now instead of that, I will plant 100 trees. भैया जब आपको पहले पता ही है नहीं काटना है करके आपने काटे तो there has to be something exemplary. तो बाकी लोग इसमें नहीं करेंगे ना, क्योंकि you just understand if as a normal citizen of दिल्ली पेड़ एक काटना और उसके जगह 10 पेड़ लगाना, तो एक जो काटा हुआ पेड़ है उसकी भरपाई नहीं होती है. बस कहने के लिए हो गया 10 पेड़ सर हमने लगा दिए. आप ये भी कह सकते कि हर पेड़ के अपने फाइन भी भर देते, लेकिन वो जो हुआ है that has become exemplary. So that's what the DC is doing perfectly correct. There has to be prosecution, there has to be penal action.
Which I asked.
If
I may just.
Yeah, please. So everybody will understand.
What is the definition of exemplary in this particular case? I mean, surely I would respect you. There must be some procedures and principles to decide what would be exemplary. It cannot be simply what he raises exemplary, that should be done. That would be my respectful submission.
The submissions are, yes, well taken care of. Submissions are there, everybody can submit like this. Actually, no problem by that. So one conscious decision will be taken कि भैया पेड़ कट रहे तो क्यों कट रहे पेड़? बस give the compensation, 10 पेड़ का तो कट रहे पेड़ करके. If you want to stop that cutting, something has to be that, and you say this correct. Procedurally has to be correct. It should be understood. Physiologically has to. I understand. Philosophy one has to understand. So anyway, whatever we are saying, that is also correct. That is a note taken up. But what he is saying, that has to be exemplary like this only. So everybody should think twice, thrice, 4 times before cutting a tree. If we cut this tree, that will create a problem. So we should not cut the tree. That is the only thing that can be done. Not here in Delhi. Everywhere it has to be like that.
So my respectful submission, I understand we must.
That's what I said.
How do you make it based on such principles?
आप कुछ कह रहे थे हमें?
Transplantation. Transplantation done in the right way, right time and right place. Yes. How that transplantation is not successful, it depends on किसने किया, कब किया, कहाँ किया. These are primary criteria. Transplantation करने में time लगता है. And many a times people bypass. They resort to
That's a big procedure.
Transplantation करने के लिए 6 महीने का process. Because पेड़ को पहले क्यों करना पड़ता है, फिर उसको
सॉइल निकालनी है.
ये सबसे बड़ी है. ये बेसिक क्राइटेरिया.
आगे लगता है you bypass time by felling. क्योंकि felling आज felling permission मिल गया, इसके बाद भी आपको ये प्रोसेस पूरा करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. It has become a very good way of bypassing transplantation. Fell a tree and accept the grant.
Even if you see less than 50 trees के लिए there is a SOP to Delhi High Court की follow करनी पड़ती है. More than 50 के लिए you have to come to CEC. But it's a very convenient way to cut, let's say 50, 100, 200 and let's say कि भाई compounding कर लेते हैं and future में we are very much aware. There has to be some stop at least from the aware people in the aware area. Otherwise it is like कि
नहीं चलो देखते हैं उसको पर आपकी नजर बात. ठीक है सर.
A note of submissions may be taken on paper. At least 5 or 25.
आपको मिल गया है वो? Sir, whatever he has filed submission, did you get that one? You have that one.
I don't have.
Yeah, note.
We have taken a hearing on 24 also.
So एक दे दो ना आपने जो 50 वो दे दो so that he can also go.
हमारे पास है ना नोट अशोक, इसका नोट है ना हमारे पास. दे देना आप.
दे प्लीज दे.
ठीक है जी.
विपुल एक बार उनका भी देख लो. कंसर्न ऑफिशियल कंसर्न पर्सन टू whom it should go. वो कर लो, दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए.
जागीर फॉर्म का क्या था?
टैगी फॉर्म भी सिमिलर किए थे जैसे नजफगढ़ खैरात होता है कि इन्होंने अपने हम
जनाब पूछे। अरे तो कोई भी नौकर को उठा के साले को फोन गोली मार दो उसको। तो नौकर की जिम्मेदारी तो आपकी है ना, आप ही का एम्प्लॉई है, तो करेंगे कुछ उसका, आपका कल्याण करेंगे, लाएंगे पेनल्टी वेनल्टी। ठीक है जी। अभी बोला मिल के जाना हमसे, शाम को मीटिंग है ना।
यस सर, अभी इस मेरे को एक आपके यहाँ से उनके वर्दी आ रहे थे।
भैया वो वर्किंग प्लान भेज दिया आपने? एक कॉपी दे दीजिए इनको, whatever information finally they have given some information.
I also have just 4 small submissions to make. Should I do it now?
Yes,
First submissions and then some newspaper reports and maps. My first submission is that even when the contempt petition is pending before the Supreme Court and this honorable committee is hearing the matter, fresh encroachments are happening. And the fresh enactments and fresh water tanks are coming up. And there is a Sakshi newspaper report of 17th June 2026, which is saying this. They have categorically identified the place and the time on which new fresh encroachments are happening. Second submission is that there is a Attapakka.
Can we just wait for some time? If we can immediately respond, because it has come in the newspaper, he must have read that one. So it's a fresh.
Also, there are reports regarding you cleaning up that also be expected, sir. This also you will give a report, sir.
So you say these are the drains only and they are not the encroachment. And this is being done.
You can inspect and then maybe you can inspect.
Yes. Fresh approach they are doing, they are again building in the last drive, Operation Colombo Drive, there were some embankments which were demolished. Now what is happening is that they are rebuilding those tanks again and carrying on all their operations. There are supplementary reports also which will do this. Now the second thing is,
can you suggest something? Now every time this will happen, something will come in the paper. You are also saying the same thing. But whenever the forest officer goes over there, he will say this is the drain only. This is not the encroachment. So do you suggest that there should be some third person who will be able to go there and who will be able to check? Do you have any suggestion like that? Because last time also the DFO said those are the drains, they are cleaning the drains. And the allegation was that they are constructing this bund, they are not cleaning bund because every bund that has to be demolished. There should not be any bund, that is the simplest thing. So just breaching the bund, that's a very lame excuse that everybody is aware of. Now we are saying there are new encroachment, there's a news in the paper, but he is saying those are the drains which are being cleaned. Somebody, third person has to say so. So if you suggest something, sir, now we will get the ascertained by somebody else. If you remember, if you get some idea, just let us know. Timing, you can just remember. If you can suggest, then we'll find out the way how to ascertain. Because once again, if we tell the DF, will give the same report. Then who is controlling DFO? Who is the chief conservator or conservator?
Chief conservator of ultimately.
So any report from him, you must have submitted your report to the CCF. What CCF said? Had CCF given any report? So she agreed to what DFO had said, and same way you are also agreed. Okay. So she has also ascertained that these are the drains only which are being cleaned. Okay, that report you have submitted. Yes. Did you get that copy of that report? What he has submitted? But why not then circulated? To whom you have submitted? If you are submitted to CEC, the simplest way is to give the copy to the concerned person. See how it has happened. Somebody is making a complaint, isn't it? So when you are giving an answer to the CEC, easiest way is to give the copy to a particular person who has complained. Why you are not doing this? I don't understand. Then once again you will send it to, we will give one copy to him. So once again 15 more days, and you are watching all this thing, what's happening in case of Koleru. All the direction given by the Supreme Court, they are being violated. Any layman can say that, not we CEC members. When you all say, don't consider as a forest officer, consider the layman. You will just say, yes, sir, it's happening like that. So it is always better when you submit certain thing, give to the applicant. Okay, this is 1 point. Second
thing, within the Koleru Wildlife Sanctuary, there is a Attapakka Bird Sanctuary. It's spread over 280 acres. Now, there is a newspaper report, section newspaper 27, 2006. This is reporting that the birds, they are in a very pathetic condition and there is lack of water in the bird habitat. Now, up till now, the state was doing a good job of maintaining that area and there was proper water in that. But this year, it is completely desert, completely dried up. So, the birds are there on the verge of dying because of no water. This is the second point.
So, any response on that? Yes. We had been to that area. Last time when we had come there for the first time, we have visited that area.
Water levels have come down. It is a part of the lake only. That's there also water level has come down.
So this has not been deliberately done anything. It is only because of water scarcity. So this reply also has not been given. So if you are prepared, immediately give it to them. So they will be able to respond on that.
This is a consequence of illegal burning because they have captured, or the tanks have captured all this water. So there is no natural drainage of the Koleru Lake.
So inflow or outflow is not there.
It's obstructed. So when it is obstructed, naturally the surrounding bird areas will get the less water and they will dry up. It is a natural consequence. In the 2006 itself, Supreme Court directed to demolish all tanks. It was not done properly, and everything which is happening is now a consequence of that because of the ongoing conduct.
Do we agree to this that tanks but have not been demolished? Only they have breached.
They have admitted in their affidavits.
So why it is not being done? If you breach it, what's the problem? Not by demolishing it.
It is their statement in the affidavit.
That's what I'm saying. Now, if you know that it has been breached, for the time being they accepted it has been breached, then why not demolish? But everything it has been given in black and white, that such structure, all those, but they should be demolished, isn't it? So otherwise you will be also held responsible. You are supposed to do it. If you are not doing it, why this is so? The state government, whosoever will ask the state government will ask you as a forest officer why you didn't do it. Then you will have to say this person didn't help, police didn't, revenue. That way also we can tell that these people, they are not giving any support to you. Is this happening like that only? Or?
Last time we said that the whole department has this. Last time in 2006, sir, revenue department, collector has done all this demolition.
So this time collector is not helping. So it is on the record that collector is not helping, police department is not helping.
We are saying that collector or police, we are saying that local people.
So in another word, if you frame in your mind and right word, revenue and police, they are not helping. So we can interfere it like that.
Yes.
Okay, so have you made it in black and white? Same copy has been given to them. Yes, we agreed that it has not been done. Tanks are there. We are unable to demolish because the local administration is not helping, or local people, they are resisting. In any language you can do, one will understand what has been written between the lines. Okay. But have you given it to them? This is their third point. Now you remember what your answer you have to give. Then fourth point?
Yes.
Okay.
Garbage.
Yes. Third point is garbage. Now there is a specific report that in Tintapadu region, there is accumulation of garbage. Now all this medical waste, industrial waste, syringes, bottles, and pesticide residues, highly toxic elements through this Bodamaru, Tamileru, and all these streams, rivers, everything is flowing into.
This at least you can get it rectified. Maybe some industry must have thrown it.
Photograph.
Maybe villagers district administration will not cooperate, but for this anyone will cooperate. When the villagers will cooperate in this.
This is an NADU newspaper report. NADU is supposed to be a mouthpiece of the Andhra Pradesh government itself. So it is the photographs are.
That is why it is there in NADU. Because everyone will support it.
And this is the second time I am raising this garbage issue. In the earlier submissions also I have produced the photographs.
But now, why don't you do this? Because sir, it is a violation of the environment.
They are supposed to do it.
All waste rules.
Waste rules. This is a sanctuary. 301 kilometers wildlife sanctuary, Ramsar site, wetland rules. Look, this is the strictest of the strictest reasons.
I think he is raising very valid questions.
Strictest of the strictest reasons.
We should reply to them immediately.
And one more, in the fourth point, Andhra Jyoti newspaper has reported very recently, 5th June 2025, that electricity in the wildlife sanctuary, electricity connections are being given to the freshly encroached areas. They are building a legal tank, fish tank, which the Supreme Court has prohibited. And to those illegal fish tanks, they are giving electricity connections. They are installing the transformers, poles, and giving electricity connections.
This answer we should ask from the district magistrate.
And this is in Komata, Lanka, inside sanctuary.
It is not allowed that everyone knows whether this has been done or it has not been. But you will have to give us in writing that this has not been done. You will ask the district magistrate also.
We'll ask district magistrate. Ashok, वो लिखना है कि इसको डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट से भी पूछना है. इट इज रिस्पांसिबिलिटी आल्सो. हां, डीएम को पूछना है. डीएम की जिम्मेदारी है ना ये. डीएम ने तो करना है.
अपना इंस्पेक्शन करके बताएं.
himself has to do. वरना फिर वो 3 लोगों की कमांड बना देगा फिर फॉरेस्ट को बता देगा.
आप खुद जाके देखिए.
himself he has to.
इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट आप बताइए, इस पर कमेंट दीजिए. इस पे आप एक आज भेज दो डीएम को हमारी तरफ से.
This shows that on a commercial scale, illegal activities are happening. They are using electricity, heavy transformers. They are using electricity and doing all this illegal aquaculture, delivering the pesticides, building it up. It's very,
we will get them inquired. Don't worry. By the time you can go through this information also.
This report is a very huge volume. But
this is not a huge volume. Only the annexures are huge.
Yes. There is no report.
Report is another one. This is the report. In fact, it is a reply to the questionnaire. If you have any objections on that, then please come up. We are going to have this after another 14 days. Now we are going to finish it.
The Lordship, the thing is, on the preliminary thing, on the 16th April 2025 order, the first point of reference was examining the status of the compliance. So I'm not able to see how many was there in the survey conducted.
वो है इसमें है पूरा पढ़ना. Everything is there. Of course, the compliance is not of that scale. It should be appreciated, but then some report is there.
Yeah, this is the 8th hearing.
There are 2 more hearings, then we will close it. Rao sir, this report we are going to send it to you also and to the DC also. So you tell your Sole Secretary that we want a reply from the district magistrate. Not from the forest department. She will tell us whether there is encroachment, whether the encroachment has been removed, whether the electricity connection has been given.
And why help is not going to forest department to demolish all these tanks.
So we will require her reply, not reply of the forest department. ठीक है राव साहब, थैंक यू. आइए आनंद साहब.
I'll also mail this soft copy.
Yes, that will be much better. You are Akshay?
Yes, I'm Akshay.
Right.